If you are a content creator, brand owner, filmmaker, or AI lover, this video will completely change the way you create videos. Times have changed. Creators no longer need to stand in front of camera, dancing or performing to make money. Now their AI influencers used to do the same thing for them. Whether you want to learn how to create this kind of influencer or you want your own photo to work as an influencer, you are at right place. In this video, I am going to show you the exact blueprint top creators use so they can sleep while their influencers print dollars for them. First, understand the biggest problem in creating influencer character consistency. In one frame, the character looks one way, and in the next frame, the character completely changes. Audience don't like randomness. Secondly, you don't want random AI influencer. You want your picture to become the influencer. In this video, we are going to talk about a tool that has already overcome all these problems and go-to choice for character building influencers. That is Higgsfield.
With my bestie, like everything fun. Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.
Welcome to the AI Influencer Studio. Normal tool gives you standard good looking face, but here you can customize body type, skin tone, or even create your human AI hybrid characters. You can control every single pixel. Now without further ado, let's dive into it. Now this is the interface of Higgsfield. Click here AI Influencer Studio. Click here to create new. Here on the right side, character type, I want a human character. Next, gender, I have already one female influencer. Now I am clicking on male. Ethnicity and origin base, I am going to select Indian. Skin color, I am going to select white. Eye color, green. And skin condition, I don't want all these type of skin conditions. I'm leaving this option. Age, adult. Eye type, I want normal human type eye. Mouth and teeth, small mouth. And ears, human. Here are horns, face skin materials. Basically, you can create an animal-human hybrid influencers too. But I only want human as an influencer. So on the surface pattern, I am going to click solid. Now click here to generate and your personalized influencer is getting ready. And now here is our fully customized AI influencer. It has all the features which we have described. We can edit this influencer in Nano Banana Pro. Now let's start making reels with this influencer. Click here. Click on explore more. Here are lots of predefined reels. Now I'm simply selecting one video. There is an option scene control mode. If we want video background, click on video. And if you want this image background, click on image. So I want video background. I'm clicking on video and click on generate. And here's the generated video. As you can see, this dance is exactly the same. Only our influencers has been changed. And now the main point is the character consistency. So we are going to check it. We are going to create another reel again. So I'm selecting one dance. And here I'm selecting again. Now this time image. And click on generate. Here is the second reel to check consistency. You can see character is really consistent. Even you can create multiple characters like this. Now it's time to move to the next part of the video, in which I'm going to upload my picture and my picture will become an AI influencer. When you scroll down, you can see there's a lip sync studio. Click here. Now simply upload your image from here and a simple script has been generated by ChatGPT. I'm copying it and pasting it here. And prompt is girl is speaking all these lines in a calm way. Model we are selecting here. As we can see, we have multiple models here. I'm going to select Kling 2.6 lip sync. And here is the option UGC factory. Click over there. Here you can select how your character moves and how the camera follows. Now I'm selecting this and click on next. Here is the model Google View 3 Fast. Click here to upload your avatar or photo. Click here to select. And now here we have to describe the action. Here I am describing normal hand action. And here we have to describe background sound. I am writing here light song and click here to generate. And here is the awesome result.
Artificial intelligence helps machines learn, think, and solve problems, making life easier, smarter, and more innovative for people everywhere. Artificial intelligence.
This platform is simply mind-blowing. Inside one platform, you get access to world's leading model like Nano Banana Pro, King 2.6 Audio, Van 2.5, and much more. You can simply pick a model, craft a concept, and turn it into a fully produced video. Now here is an interesting point. What if I tell you it's not about creating influencers, it's about earning from them. Create, post, and get paid through this platform. Now here is an option, AI Influencer Studio plus Higgsfield Earn. Click over there. And you can simply start earning. What you need to do is the step 1 is to simply log in. Step 2 is to post the video which you have created from your influencer created in the Higgsfield only. And the third step, you will get your payment. Guys, this is new era. AI influencers is working for creators. Don't stay behind while world move ahead. If this video helped you in understand AI influencers, subscribe for more real creator workflows. Link are in the description and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.